Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to heal and restore HP in AC Mirage or in the Assassin's Creed. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you or teach you different ways on how you can do that. So first, what you can do is to use an elixir. So to heal when Basim's injured, you can use a consumable called the elixir. So the elixir can be used by pressing down the arrow on the D-pad. So this is actually, however, only a consumable, so use it sparingly. And the next what you can do is to pick up food. So you can also pick up food from containers to heal. Unlike the elixir, you will automatically use up the food when picking it up and cannot be stored for later use. And then next, as a reminder, you cannot actually pick up food if your health is full. So note that you can pick up food from containers if your health is full, and notification will appear in the middle of the screen. So as you can see here in the photo, to indicate this that your health is full. And then next, what you can do is to wear an Abbasid night outfit. So certain outfits allow you to heal without using an elixir. So an example is an Abbasid night outfit, which lets you regenerate health every 2 seconds, while unseen and heals up to 50% of maximum health. Fully upgrading this outfit will allow you to heal up to 100% of your health. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.